Okay, I'm gonna chop this garlic here. Just like so, nothing to it, into small pieces. So this is a simple yet super tasty shrimp dish. Doesn't take long to make. And it doesn't take a lot of ingredients. And if you like garlic, you can use less, obviously. Show kitchen, do what you want. As I've gotten older and I don't like a whole bunch of mess, I've taken to using gloves when I'm chopping onions, garlic, or if I'm working with meat. You can see that we have extra large shrimp, which is 26 to 30 per pound, 19 to 20 per bag. This one is already peeled, debanked, and has the tail on though. First thing I'm gonna do is drain out the water. It's cool, it tells you this kind of information. Raw shrimp, count per pound. That's how that goes. So to the shrimp, I'm gonna add some Old Bay. Garlic, some vegetable oil, salt, some black pepper, and some red pepper flakes. Some of the Old Bay, I added black pepper, I added salt, I added red pepper flakes, and oil. And we're just gonna stir that up. I'm gonna set this aside. Got this stove over medium heat. And got this grill pan on the stove. And this is our shrimp that we have seasoned and let set aside for about 15 minutes. So we're gonna get the shrimp on here. It's gonna cook super quick. I'm gonna put this down in one layer. Remember, we put that salt, that pepper, that Old Bay, and a little oil. Now this shrimp has no skin, been debanked, but the tail is on. You're looking for it to turn pink all the way through. You see how it's starting to turn pink. Well, cook it on this side. We're gonna flip it. Cook it on the other side and remove it. Have a plate right over there, ready to receive our goodies. Yeah, baby.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no.
All right, it's done.
Nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.